Our tech tips today looks at the location feature on your phone. Should you turn it off or on? Let's kick off with a question. Do you prefer to turn on your location feature, or you are simply indifferent? Well, there's no right or wrong answer. The good side is that the all-important GPS service on your phone requires the feature to work properly. However, it is important to understand that even if you choose to turn it on permanently, then it's easier for anyone, good or bad, to know where you are at any given point in time. This doesn't mean that you can't be tracked even with your location feature off, but that is a much more advanced process. Interestingly, not too many people know that giant internet companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or even Apple thrive on tracking. Yes, because that is how they are able to learn more about your interests and places you visit. So with that, they can serve you more personalized adverts. Just in case you didn't know, those adverts you see while surfing the internet or using an app isn't random. They are tailor-made for you based on how much the bots understand your preferences. Anyways, even if you don't want your location feature service turned on, an increasing number of apps require it to function optimally. So what I recommend is that you turn it on only when you need to use it, and then turn it off immediately. But then again, the choice is entirely yours. Let's remember though, every single activity online leaves a footprint, and that footprint will eventually end up somewhere in the cloud. That's our tech tip segment for today.